how is it available with like a dashboard or with respect to reports? And even one of the most important aspect is with respect to bed transfers. So how is this available? Is there a solution right now? Because what we feel is, with each and every department, everybody works in silos and the data is fragmented. There is lack of visibility between one department to another. For example, if I say blood bank to pharmacy to the orthopedic department, there is, all of them are working together but with manual coordination. So that is where we say the lack of visibility and the fragmentation of data is currently being practiced. But what we propose is, especially for the bed transfers, if a particular patient requests a bed, that can be put out in the system where they can get to know, okay, whether how many beds are available based on, I mean, they can filter it based on the requirement of the particular patient, and then it can be assigned, and the history also can be logged if there are any transfers. And also all this will be available as a report. As I said, the dashboard showing live KPIs, the bedmaster with history, and all the transfer logs. So you can see over here, for a particular clinic, this kind of a dashboard would be very, very helpful. So far, 34 appointments are there. Today's appointments will be zero, probably on a holiday. This thing. So far, admitted patients are 35. Then there are emergency cases 22, and free beds are 4. I can only accommodate 4 until unless there is there are no discharges. There are blood requests of 41, and so much of stock is there available with us. Number of surgery cases, total lab requests, ambulatory requests, and basically available ambulances, and then the total revenue. So if this kind of a coordinated and accumulated data is available to a healthcare unit, we believe that the healthcare sectors can grow and, most importantly, scale better, and above all, give very good services to any particular patient.